If you're broke at 30, this video is not here to shame you. It's here to wake you up. Because most people who stay broke never realize what actually broke them. You did everything you were told. You went to school, you worked hard, you stayed busy. Yet somehow, your bank account still feels empty. Bills feel heavier, time feels faster, and everyone online looks like they're winning. Here's the painful truth. Being broke at 30 is rarely about laziness. It's about direction. Most people think money problems are income problems. They're not. They're system problems. Your life runs on a system, the same way a car runs on an engine. If the engine is broken, pushing harder doesn't help. Most people at 30 are exhausted because they're pushing a broken system, working harder, running faster, going nowhere. The good news? You're not behind. You're just misaligned, and alignment can be fixed. Let me show you how. There are 5 phases. Each one builds on the last. Miss one, and the ladder collapses. You cannot fill a bucket that's leaking. Before earning more, you must see where your money actually goes. Not what you think happens, what actually happens. Awareness hurts. That's why most people avoid it. But pain is data. If you skip this step, every raise disappears. Most people try to build a roof before they have a floor. Your floor is simple. Rent you can breathe under, food you can afford, transportation that doesn't own you. Stability is not sexy, but instability is expensive. You don't need luxury yet. You need predictability. This is where most people get stuck. They cut coffee, skip joy, shrink their lives. But freedom doesn't come from shrinking. It comes from leverage. Leverage is when effort scales. Skills, negotiation, side income, ownership. You don't need 10 jobs. You need one engine that grows while you sleep. Money follows identity. If you see yourself as bad with money, your actions will obey that story. So change the story. You are someone who plans, someone who delays gratification, someone who thinks in years, not weekends. Identity is the multiplier. If you're broke at 30, this is not the end. It's the checkpoint, a moment where you stop drifting and start designing. Start with awareness. Build the floor, automate, upgrade the engine, change the identity. If this video made you pause, that's your sign. Subscribe, because the next step is easier when you're not doing it alone. Your future self is watching what you do next. Don't disappoint them.